Hello, this is Sunny. Sunny looks outside the window. Wow, look at the sun. The sky is blue. The sun is bright. It's sunny. Sunny opens the door. Warm air comes inside. Oh, it's so hot. Sunscreen. Soft sunscreen. Sunscreen bottle. Sunny puts on sunscreen. Rub, rub, rub. Sunny puts sunscreen on the cheeks. Sunny puts sunscreen on the nose. Sunny puts sunscreen on the arms. Now Sunny's skin is safe. The sun is very hot. Sunny needs sunscreen. No sunscreen? Oh no! Sunny's skin gets red. Too hot. Hat. Sun hat. Yellow sun hat. Sunny puts on the hat. Hat on. The hat blocks the hot sun. The sun is bright. Sunny needs a hat. No hat? Oh no! Sunny's head feels hot. Sunny wipes the sweat. Sunglasses. Cool sunglasses. Black sunglasses. Sunny puts on the sunglasses. Wow! Sunny looks cool. Sunny looks in the mirror. The sun is very bright. Sunny needs sunglasses. No sunglasses? Oh no! Sunny squints the eyes. Too bright. Sunny walks outside slowly. Sunny feels hot. Oh, ice cream. Cold ice cream. Yum! Sunny takes one big lick. The ice cream is so cool. Ice cream on Sunny's hand. Sunny laughs. Sunscreen on, hat on, sunglasses on. Sunny is ready. Sunny smiles under the bright sun. I like sunny days.